Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a 2019 G23 Super Air Nautique. This is a fantastic boat that if you guys want to get out, do some wakeboarding, get that nice, crisp, big wake for launching, or slow it down and get out there and do some surfing, you can do either extremely well. You've got a two-step hull, so when you're at different speeds, you've got lots of displacement for your monster wake, as well as the NSS Nautique surf system to give you that monster wake side to side, and you can control your surf gates on either right or left and switch with just a touch of a button for doing your tricks from side to side. And let's hop up inside and see what the rest looks like. So starting here at the back, this is one of my favorite color schemes here. This came together really good. This is the orange metallic. All the piping matches throughout the boat, as well as even the tower has the orange match. Fantastic looking boat with the white and gray offset. Right here at the back, underneath our sea deck step, we've got a built-in insulated cooler, so you've got your drinks easily accessible. Nice sea deck covered walkthrough, huge storage on each side with a separate compartment for the engine so that you don't get any salt water in there. And by the way, this does have the saltwater package. We've got our quick release board racks here, which are a new design for last year, and they're fully coated, so you're not going to scratch up your board. Got quick release awning, so it folds up. Also a folding ski tower here. As you can see, audio throughout, speakers, lots of cup holders. When this thing's lit up, you've got lighting everywhere. You've also got a seat in the rear that's currently facing forward but can be slid back in those tracks to be a rearward facing seat. Both sides of this boat convert into sun loungers that can be rearward or forward facing. Up at our helm seat, they've really thought everything through. They've designed everything so you can control it with your right hand. You've got a control which is somewhat like BMW's iDrive, or your touch screen right there that can control absolutely everything on the boat. Storage for your phone on the left, allowing you to keep your left hand on the steering wheel and take control of everything with your right. Also, they've really thought through on their seating here. Your captain's chair has got little cutouts, so if you want to turn around, bolsters aren't going to hold you in. You've also got a flip-up bolster to give you a little extra visibility if you're in surf mode. And you've got a lot of people up front. Block off for those little windier or cooler days, full block off between the windshield. You've also got a filler panel here, so you can turn your whole front into one big lounger. If you're looking to get out, do some water sports, wake surfing, wakeboarding, this is your boat. I've got a lot of other ones in stock as well. Come see me, bring your board, we'll take one on the water and give it a shot. Call, text, email anytime with any questions. My cell phone number is listed right there. Best way to get a hold of me.